Hello! I got an Ulta order. Ouch. Okay, so I got the J-Cat Beauty lash separator. These are the metal ones. I like those ones a lot better than the plastic ones. I got another Thick It and Stick It. I think this one is in black, just for a different shade. I got another Powder Puff Lippy from NYX. This was in Boy Tears. I finally got my hands on this concealer brush by Real Techniques. It's the 242 brush. I wanted that forever. Then I got Almost Famous Sweet Cheeks blush, two lip pencils, one in brown and one in nude pink. I really like these lip pencils. And another Fat Oil in shade Scrollin'. Yes. Okay, that's all I got in this little Ulta order. I had like a coupon for NYX Cosmetics. And then I had a few things from the 21 Days of Beauty sale. But those haven't come yet, so I'll be back with those.